Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Yutani Appliance Roller is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked tools for any homeowner or renter looking to simplify the daunting task of moving heavy appliances, offering a robust and reliable solution that promises to make your next relocation or rearrangement significantly less strenuous and time-consuming, ensuring your valuable equipment is protected throughout the process. Number 5. SPACECARE Mini Fridge Stand Mobile Roller. This mobile roller features a telescopic design that effortlessly adjusts to fit various appliance sizes. It serves as a versatile stand, allowing you to customize the width and length to perfectly secure your furniture, dryers, and refrigerators. It has a weight limit of 300 pounds. Transform stationary appliances into mobile units with this robust furniture dolly. Equipped with 4 premium 360-degree swivel wheels, it allows for smooth movement of heavy loads across different floor types. This makes cleaning behind heavy machines or rearranging your laundry room simple and back pain free. Safety is paramount with our locking wheels system. Once your appliance is in position, simply press down the locks to secure the stand firmly in place. The anti-slip padded corners increase friction, preventing your washing machine or fridge from vibrating, shifting, or tipping during operation. Built to last, this stand is constructed from high-quality sturdy materials resistant to moisture and corrosion. By elevating your appliances off the ground, it not only extends their lifespan by preventing rust but also facilitates better airflow and easier floor cleaning underneath. The moving cart kit comes with all necessary parts and clear instructions for a hassle-free setup. No complex tools are required. You can have it assembled and ready to use in minutes. What we like. This mobile roller offers a universal adjustable base, perfect for various appliance sizes. Its heavy-duty mobility with 360-degree swivel wheels makes moving large items a breeze. If you're looking for a secure and easy way to rearrange or clean behind heavy appliances, this is a great choice. What people say. The frame is adjustable, so you can fit it to the size of your washing machine or refrigerator, which is very convenient. The wheels move smoothly, and the locking wheels help keep the appliance in place once you position it. This dolly is able to hold the weight of the portable washing machine I use it for, which is 99 pounds. Number 4. Ronlap Furniture Washing Machine Dolly. This dolly features a double-row design for easy setup. Its length is adjustable from 17.5 to 28 inches, making it suitable for various furniture sizes. Equipped with 24 polypropylene wheels, it offers a larger contact surface for smooth movement. These wheels are designed for forward and backward motion, requiring minimal effort to move heavy appliances. With a height of 1.5 inches, this base provides firm support and keeps appliances elevated. This helps maintain dryness and ventilation, extending the appliance's lifespan and making cleaning easier. It includes non-slip pads for enhanced grip and protection. A lock brake on one end prevents slipping and shaking, significantly improving stability and security. Constructed with a thickened steel frame, it offers robust support with a maximum load capacity of 660 pounds. Simply place it under your appliances and engage the brakes for secure movement. What we like. Featuring a unique double-row wheel design, this dolly provides a low profile for your appliances. The extended length ensures a good fit for many furniture types. If you need a sturdy and stable base that keeps appliances slightly elevated for ventilation and cleaning, consider this option. What people say. It is very sturdy and easy to assemble. The rollers are smooth and make moving heavy appliances a breeze. It is adjustable to fit different appliance sizes. Number 3. Bora Portamate Mobile Base Kit PM 1100. Introducing the Bora Portamate Mobile Base Kit. This heavy-duty, universal, and customizable rolling set is designed to make moving your equipment effortless. It can support up to 400 pounds, making it perfect for heavy shop equipment like table saws, bandsaws, and workbenches. Move your large tools securely with confidence. Installation is a breeze. Simply secure each pre-drilled corner to a piece of plywood, and you'll be moving your tools in minutes. You can build your exact base size using standard 3/4 plywood. This flexibility allows it to accommodate everything from benchtop tools to large machinery. Control equipment stability instantly with easy-access foot levers. Its premium casters ensure reliable mobility in any workshop environment. Transform your workshop into a flexible workspace. Roll your equipment where you need it and store it compactly when projects are done, increasing your productivity. What we like. Built for workshops, this mobile base supports up to 400 pounds with a customizable size using plywood. Its quick lock wheel system offers instant stability control. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional needing to frequently move heavy tools and machinery in your workshop, this is designed for you. What people say. The PM1100 is a high-quality, well-designed mobile base with great flexibility to fit any size tool up to the weight limit. Solid construction and makes it easy to move around heavy woodworking equipment. Using your own plywood allows you to easily customize the size and also gives a space for extra storage. Number 2. Yutianli Heavy Duty Appliance Roller, Black. Tired of struggling to move heavy appliances? Introducing our heavy-duty appliance rollers, designed to make moving even the bulkiest items a breeze. Crafted with upgraded materials, these rollers can support up to 1,100 pounds. Each roller features 24 individual wheels for a large stress area and superior bearing capacity. Its length is freely adjustable, fitting a wide range of appliances and furniture. Move items of different sizes with ease, thanks to its versatile design. Heavy appliances often lead to hidden dirt and bacteria buildup. With these rollers, you can easily move them, making thorough home cleaning more convenient than ever. Equipped with anti-skid cushions, they provide shock absorption and reduce noise during movement. The included brake pads ensure it stays securely in place when needed. Ideal for washing machines, refrigerators, dryers, dishwashers, sofas, and other heavy electrical appliances and furniture. Make moving anything heavy simple and safe. What we like. This appliance roller boasts an impressive weight capacity of up to 1,100 pounds, thanks to its 24 rollers. It's designed for easy movement of very heavy items, facilitating home cleaning. If you have extremely heavy appliances like refrigerators or washing machines and need a robust solution for moving them to clean underneath, this is the one. What people say. Rollers only add about 112 inches in height to final height. Adjustable to fit various appliance sizes, it's incredibly versatile and robust. So easy to move the tower back and forth now. Very sturdy and well-made product. Number 1. 360 degrees Universal Extendable Furniture Appliances Rollers. Introducing our improved universal rollers, designed for seamless 360-degree movement in any direction. You can now change course with ease, moving beyond simple back and forth. This universal move base features 24 rubber wheels for increased stability and load-bearing capacity. It can now support up to an impressive 700 pounds, making it ideal for heavy items. Thick rubber cushions are integrated at both ends of the bracket. These protect the feet of your appliances and furniture from any potential damage during movement. Using it is straightforward. Expand the roller to the correct size, place it under your item, and then simply push to move. Remember to press the brake switch when in place. This versatile tool makes any furniture or appliance mobile. You'll no longer need to lift heavy objects, saving you energy and making relocation much easier. It's perfect for a wide range of uses, from washing machines and refrigerators to all kinds of furniture. Make moving heavy items a task of the past. What we like. With improved universal 360-degree swivel wheels, this mover allows for multi-directional movement and course changes. It offers a high load capacity of 700 pounds and includes protective rubber cushions. If you need maximum maneuverability for heavy appliances in tight spaces and want to avoid damaging your floors or the appliance feet, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The roller is very sturdy and can hold heavy appliances. It is easy to assemble and adjust at different sizes. The wheels roll smoothly, making it easy to move heavy items. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.